In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your site and make small changes to your site. Once you have logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From this dashboard, you're able to access certain sections of your site from the left-hand side. Now, once you have logged in and you try to visit your website, you're going to notice that there's a black toolbar up here. Now, this toolbar will only apply once you are an administrator and you have logged in. So let's say we wanted to edit a certain section of your site. Let's say we wanted to go to post and we wanted to edit this section. All you have to do is simply click edit page. Once you click the edit page, you're gonna see you're gonna be able to see the site settings. So as for example, you can see here's the title. Here's the body of that page, and all you have to do is simply hover your mouse over the section you want to edit and select the green pencil. Once you hit the green pencil, you're able to make changes to that specific section. From here, you're able to, for example, let's say we wanted this to be bold. You can make italic, change the size of the font, change the color of the font. Now you're gonna know if your screen doesn't show this, then what you want to do is make sure that you're on the visual tab and not the text. The text is just gives you an overview of all the back-end coding of the site. So make sure it says visual. Once you hit visual, that allows you to view this information, just the way it's gonna look on the site. Now let's say you wanted to replace this image, or you want it to align to the left. You could simply just click on any item and it will move for you. So let's say, for example, we wanted to add another image. I will simply click add media, and either I could select an image from the media library, or I could simply upload an image from my hard drive. If it's on my desktop, I could simply just drag the image into this section and it'll do it for you. Once you go back to media library, you're gonna notice that it gives me a couple sizes. When inserting an image within a post, you want to make sure that image is less than 500 by 500, or it's in the medium. So in this instance, I'll select medium, and then one of the things you want to do is you will click on insert post. There's a button right here. Insert post, and as you can see now, if I scroll down, that image is going to appear. See? So now if I wanted this again, if I want this to align to the left, or I wanted this to be centered, this is how I'll do it. If I want to delete this image, I will simply click remove, and then I'll save. Okay. All right, so let's say you want to change the heading. I will simply click that. And all you have to do now is just replace any of the current content. That's all you're going to be doing. So you don't have to mess with any of the settings in the back end. Once you're done making those changes you want, you will simply click Save Changes. And then once you are done for this page, you want to click Update. Update will make the changes go live on your site. So if you don't hit the update, then those changes will not go into effect. So now, once we go to view your page, you're able to see the changes we made. Okay. And this applies to basically any page within your site. The site was built to be user friendly, and you do not need any special softwares to make those changes to your site. Okay. So let's say we wanted to edit the product section. Okay, so let's say you want to make changes to this section. You could simply go to your product and you select edit product. Once you click on the edit product, it will take you to that section where you're able to make changes to that specific product or page. Again, title, and if you scroll down, here is the content for that specific section that was listed on the product. If you want to change the product image, this is where you'll do it. You will simply click remove or add additional images here. So let's say you want to add more products, more images within your gallery. Again, select one from the media library or upload your own. Okay. And as you can see now, I added additional images, but if you don't, just simply hover your mouse over it and add remove. And then once you're done making those changes, you will simply click update. If you wanted to change the price of this, you go to this tab, variations, and notice this is the drop down. So for example, the EMT student's price is $30. And for Heart Saver, we currently have it $50. So if you want to make that changes to this price, just simply replace it to whatever price you want, and then hit save. And then once you want that to go live, you will click update. Okay. Okay, so let's say we want to edit this course. We want to change the dates. Okay. Notice that there's a drop down with different dates. So I'm going to show you how to change these dates. For this section right here, we have to edit the product. Okay, and from that section, here it is. This is the bottom body of that product, and if you scroll down, this is the top section. So you will simply replace the dates here with whatever date you want to change. Okay, and then we will go to attributes. Remember to always hit update once you make those changes. This is the drop downs. Okay, so let's say this is the evening dates, this is the course dates. You will simply click configure terms, and as you can see, here's our options we have. So let's say we wanted to remove that or edit that. You will simply click edit and just go ahead and replace the first line. Okay, and then once you change the dates to whatever date you want, simply click update, and then that's it. The site will automatically update those new changes for you. So again, just a quick overview. To change the drop downs dates, you will click on the products attributes. This is where you will change the dates. To change the date for that specific product and not the drop down, then you could simply click all products. This is another way to get into that section. And as you can see, here's all the products you're currently selling. So if you wanted to go to the evening courses, I'll click edit. And then again, I will change the dates here. Okay. Now, if you want to make changes to pages, you simply click on pages. And then you will find the page you want to make changes to, hover your mouse over it, click edit, and then you will make any changes you want to that specific section. Okay, and as you can see, everything's in boxes, so that gives you a quick overview of how the site looks. So if you want to change the mission section, the team, or whatever you want to change, you just hover your mouse over it. And then obviously to view it, you would simply click about us, or you click that and it'll take you to this section where you could view it. And that's pretty much it. If you have any, I will send you another video on how to check for orders and complete those orders.